This video shows how to install a virtual lab environment using VirutalBox and Windows Server 2012. So we will create an Active Directory domain, single server domain with Server 2012. Okay, let's start with VirutalBox. Click New. Enter a name for your virtual machine. Select Server 2012. Give it a lot of RAM. Create a virtual disk, VDI, dynamic. Select the folder location where you want your virtual machine to reside, the possible maximum size of your hard disk. Click Create. Now go in Settings and add another network adapter. So just network adapter to enable. Internal network. So we're adding a second adapter. We need two adapters. The first one is going to be NAT connected, so that's internet for the VM, and the other one is going to be used for the internal communication. Okay, now go to Settings, go to Storage, and attach the server installation media from that you're using. I'm using Server 2012 Evaluation Edition. Right, so we attach that here. We click OK, we start, and this should start automatically installing the operating system. Right, we click Next, Install. We select Server with the GUI. Accept. Install custom. So we have our drive and it installs. We enter our password and it's installed. So next we install the insert guest edition CD. So this is gonna make the VM work faster. We need to click here the auto run. So we auto run this, we install and restart. Right, reboot now. Now in VirutalBox you may want to enable drag and dropping between the virtual machine and in your desktop, so drag and drop bi-directional. Okay. Right, in the course we have two scripts here. So go open PowerShell and run the preconfig ps1 script. This will assign the IP address. Here, restart the VM. After your restart, let's see our network adapters. We have two network adapters, Ethernet and Ethernet 2. Now, Ethernet is the internet connected adapter, so it's using NAT at the moment. So it's got whatever address NAT gave it from within VirutalBox, and through this adapter, the VM is getting on the internet. And the other connection is called Ethernet 2. This one has a static IP configuration. This was set by the script. It's got 5.1 as an IP address, and this is the local connection that the domain will use internally locally for a local communication. Now we run PowerShell, control-click PowerShell, run as administrator, and then we run our create domain script. We get asked that the server will be a domain controller. The server is getting restarted by itself. Now the server is started. When you log in, make sure to log into the domain, so my domain/administrator. Now after we log in, we can make some checks. First we can see that the network adapter 5.1, the local one, got assigned to DNS server, and that's the local one, which this was done by the Active Directory installation, so that's good. Also, we look at the event viewer, application, and system. So there aren't any red ones, so we're good to go. Also, you can check that there's internet, so the VM is able to get on the internet. There's also the DNS console. We can see that our domain is existing, and our records for our server are also over here.